If you're looking for a natural remedy to support your dog's or a cat's respiratory health, this beloved Pet's Kennel cough treatment is a liquid supplement made with herbal ingredients, including echinacea, elderberry, ginger, and licorice root. It's designed for pets 4 months and up. It comes in a easy to use liquid drop that you can mix with food or water. This formula is intended to support cough relief, throat comfort, and immune function for both cats and dogs of all sizes. It's made in the USA with natural chemical-free ingredients. There's no odor, taste issues, or artificial additives. So it does come in a liquid drop form.